Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Remove loose dirt so you don't grind grit into the surface. Mix a mild solution, 1 tablespoon of dish soap in 1 liter of warm water, and dip a microfiber cloth. Wipe with the metal grain using light, even pressure. This reduces micro scratches and lifts oils. Once done, rinse the cloth and repeat if the first pass leaves residue. Make sure to work on a cool, dry surface to keep cleaner from evaporating too fast and to see remaining streaks clearly. Once the base cleaning is done, you move to stains and polish. For fingerprints, dampen a soft cloth with 70% isopropyl and wipe with the grain. This evaporates cleanly and prevents ghosting. For tougher marks, make a baking soda paste, 2 parts soda to 1 part water, and rub gently with a non-abrasive sponge to lift stains without scratching. Finally, apply a small dab of olive oil or dedicated stainless polish and buff in long strokes to restore luster, and you finish by rinsing thoroughly with clean water and drying immediately with a microfiber towel. This prevents water spots and mineral streaks. If rust appears, apply white vinegar, let it sit a few minutes, then scrub gently with a nylon brush and rinse. Repeat if needed, but avoid aggressive abrasives. Make sure to maintain weekly cleaning and never use chlorine or steel wool, as they damage the finish. If persistent haze remains, reapply polish and buff. If the problem continues, check for underlying corrosion and consider professional restoration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.